Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the list of options and look for the option called sound and vibration or sounds and vibration. Tap on it. Here find the option called vibration and tap on it. Make sure that the vibration is enabled, because if it's disabled it won't work. And then you can tap on vibration intensity and we have strong and moderate. So select the one you like, then you can swipe right or press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change or adjust the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.